Hi, I'm also a Chan Kwabena, and I work with the charger installation and maintenance department. If you have a limited power supply, let's say you have 200 volts consistently coming to your premises, that is why the team comes there to conduct a survey first for us to know the conditions there for us to install the charger. So in such a situation, we are going to give you a charger, we are going to install a charger that will be able to function properly with the voltage at your premises so that you are not going to get any issues. Yes, it is advisable for you to charge your car whilst it's raining. You just have to make sure that water doesn't come into contact with the gun pins or the charging port pins. So you can charge your car, it's safe and it's fine. Don't have any problem with that. With the charging parts, after you finish charging your car, you are supposed to make sure that you cover the gun of the charger so that water, in case of there's any spillage or drainage of water somewhere, it doesn't get access to the gun of the charger. It is advised mostly to charge your car at night due to the reason that in any environment you find yourself in, there are other people or there are other premises that also use the same voltage that is coming to your premises. So in the evening, all the loads or most people will find themselves sleeping. So most electrical appliances are not going to be used. And because of that, you are going to get the maximum voltage that is coming to your premises, which is 230 to roughly 240 volts. So your car can charge faster compared to charging the car during the day where other appliances or most appliances will be on, of which there's going to be a voltage drop. Yes, so it's advisable to charge your car at night. To get an installation done at your premises, first of all, the charger installation team comes to your premises and a survey is conducted. So during the survey, some of the things we look out for is the voltage that comes to your premises. So the required voltage is roughly between 230 to 240 volts. Secondly, what we check out is a good earthing system at your premises. Since in case of any leakage current or excess current, the earthing system will serve as a pathway for the current to flow through. And we also look out for if your area or your community is well fenced or is gated to prevent people from getting access to the charger. These are the things we look out for when we conduct a survey. Then if you qualify for all three, then we proceed and move on to perform the installation at your premises. To charge your car, let's say if you have a car that can cover a range of 300 kilometers, it's going to take you roughly from 60 to 80 cedis for you to get a full charge, which is much cheaper compared to you filling a 300 kilometer car, full car, which is going to be expensive and is going to be more than 80 cedis to cover a distance from Accra to Kumasi. When it comes to maintenance, the charger requires less maintenance because of the nature and the way the charger is being built and is being installed for a client. It requires less maintenance, of which we also offer 2 years free maintenance to all our clients anytime an installation is being done.